Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to justify our text. Means, suppose I have written something in Excel but it is spill over to this range. Up to, if I see you, it's coming in to this value, but I want this to be covered only in this range. How can this be possible? Generally what we will do, we will use merge and center option and then resize this cell and then wrap it. But why we are doing this? Instead of this, we can use the justify option. Just wait and watch. So I want this data to be covered in this cell. So before you using justify, you have to just ensure that how much value you have written and it will be covered in how much area. So I know that it will be covered in this area. Just select this area, then go to home tab. Then in this tab, just click on this drop down fill option and there is an option called justify. Just click justify. See your all data just arrange in the range which you have selected. And one more thing, so I would like to add some new thing, add new things to this data. And now still again it's not looking good, so again you can justify it. Just select your old database, just go to home, drop down, click justify. Your data is now arranged in the range which you have, and again you want it to in the original form. Just you also can do that. See, it has just divided this coming in the next row. If you want this to be in the original form, just select up to a maximum level, just go to home and then close justify. Now again it is covered in one. Hope you like this video. Thanks for sharing this liking this video.